What up, YouTube? Today is going to be a upper body day. It's Saturday. I did legs on Tuesday, and so far my cut's going really well. I've been basically losing 2 pounds of fat every week, and the way I'm doing it is on the days I don't work out, put myself in a big calorie deficit, but I want to have a well balance on my macros. So start with protein, then carbs and fats. And on a workout day, the only thing I'm changing is more carbs. So I have energy for the workout. And so far, so good. All right, so I've done a warm up a couple times. This is going to be a PR. We'll see how many I could do. Last time I did this was 10 pounds less for 8 reps. So I'm hoping to get a small amount of reps on this, and then we'll maybe do a drop set. All right, here we go. All right, that felt really good. I'm gonna remove some weight. This is gonna be kind of like a rest pause. Not gonna take very much time, just to really finish it off, and then we're done with this. See, not much left, but we making sure to completely finish it. And that's it for that one. All right, we're gonna jump to rear delt. Last time I did it, I did 9 reps for 190. So I'm gonna try 200 today. I'm feeling pretty good. We'll see how it feels. So around the same rep range, but more weight, which ain't bad. Next week, I'll just stick to the same weight and do more reps. Let's move on. All right, next we're gonna jump into a curl. Last time I did 55 on this machine for 11 reps. So we're gonna move up to 70 pounds. God, the music's so loud today. All right, so here we go. Just the punchline goes, I'll get older, but you'll always stay my age. From when your Brooklyn broke, my skin bones. I'm a soldier who's retiring as her age. And did the twin flame moves teach you good? Just between us, did the love affair with you So it was 8 with 2 negatives. All right, next exercise is going to be a push down. Last time I did like 150, but it was for a bunch of reps. It's for 15, so I'm going to jump to 170. See how it goes today. Lower this just a little. Here we go. Six, 7, 8. All right, 8 at 170. So I've been wanting to improve my triceps. They're hardly ever sore, so I'm gonna just do a drop set with a V-bar, 100 pounds. It's gonna be more like a burnout. Just really get blood pumping into the area. Ten, not bad. Woo! All right, workout complete. So if you were watching and you're wondering why it's so short, right now I'm doing a cut, and so my calories are very low, and so workouts tend to be a lot shorter, and I just focus on strength. So if you notice, heaviest lift was the first exercise, and then from there it goes down. And so I kind of have to prioritize, okay, what muscle group do I want to hit more? But everything's going according to plan. So this morning I was a little over 13% body fat. So within the next 2 days, I'll finally hit 12%. And I'm hoping most of next week is just going to be me in the 12% and continue the cut. So basically, what the meals are looking like is chicken and rice for lunch and supper. And supper, I might add this little avocado pack for some fats. But basically, depending on how I'm feeling and how much I want to cut, the only thing I'm really changing is my portion in rice. So I'm basically doing half a pound of chicken, rice, half a pound of chicken, rice, and I leave the window open for additional calories in the form of a snack. So let's say I want a little bit more protein or carbs depending on how I'm feeling. I got that extra little snack and I'm still in a deficit. And then on workout days, the only thing that's really changing is I'll have like a breakfast with plenty of carbs. So like this morning it was like orange juice, bagel, maybe some fruit, a banana before the workout. And then, so like on today, my portion of rice is going to be bigger. So on workout days, I'll have bigger portions of rice. On deficit days, it's like cutting the rice in half. Regardless, though, the protein stays the same. So, man, these roads got my camera flying all over the place today. So basically, I have a protein and a carb for lunch and supper. And the only thing that changes is the portions depending on the activity I have in the day. So if it's a workout day, more carbs. If it's not, then we don't do that. With that said, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. What's your fitness goal looking like for the new year? For me right now, it's just getting the body fat down for the month of February. And then from there, I might do a kind of maintenance part. But the main thing was just like, let me get rid of this fat. I basically didn't have any days in a deficit for a couple months. And so the fat was either staying the same or slowly going up. And so I decided, you know what? We're going to do a cut, get rid of some of this body fat, and then we'll go back in towards a clean bulk. But that's where I'm at right now. Y'all let me know what you got going in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one.